everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we've got an unboxing and it is my Feelunique pick and mix sample service for the month of August. I can't believe it's August already. But yeah, these are the samples that I've picked up this month. So for those of you who don't know, Feelunique offer a sample service. I kind of dip in and out of it. I don't do it every month, but for £3.95 you can pick up to 5 or 6 samples and have them delivered to your door. And yeah, there's no like subscription service or anything like that. They have like probably hundreds of them on the website. It's really easy to find. If you just select samples, select pick and mix, and you can dip in and out. You can only do it once a month, but this month this is what I picked up. So here are my samples. Let's just open up this bad boy. So the first 2 products that I got are 2 sets of fake tan. These are 50ml samples, so absolutely ginormous. And they are both in the shade medium. They didn't have a fair, but medium is gonna be what it's gonna be. So this one is a velvet finish tanning gel from Samaritz. And this one is a tanning lotion, which is meant to be streak free. So they are really good, maybe 1 or 2 applications in each one. So yeah, super excited to try those. The next sample I picked up was a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter for a Superstar Youth Glow. I've not heard very much about this or seen this anywhere, but it says, so for a superstar glow, apply on top of face as a flawless filter or on top of foundation if you want extra coverage. Ooh, okay. Do you know what? I might even open up a little bit of it now and have a little look. They had loads of shades on there, which is really, really good. Oh, it's like a foundation. Ooh. Put a bit on my chin. Oh, it's very glowy. I'm gonna have a glowy chin. It smells nice though. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Superstar Youth Glow. Yeah, it was really glowy. Oh, I'm really looking forward to trying this now. Yeah, super duper, very happy with that. Next I got a Keels sample. So this is the Keels Age Defender Eye Repair for lifting anti-wrinkle dark circles eye cream for men. So the reason I got the men's one is I'm going to be giving this to my other half because he's starting to look a little bit sad around the eyes at the moment. So I thought he'd quite like maybe to try something. He does wear moisturiser occasionally, or I do give him, like he dips into mine. So I thought he might, you know, try this, have a little go, see whether or not he likes it or not. And last but not least, I got a lipstick sample set. So this is Givenchy, and it says, this is not what you think. And it is 3 different shades and an applicator. Look at that. So yeah, okay, so I've got shades Rose, Red and Suede. Hashtag this is not what you think. Let's have a little, ooh, okay, so comes in a little pipette thing. Let's have a little look and see if we can peel this back. I love samples. Oh, that pink's so pretty. Let's have a little look. That's the pink. Oh, this red looks good. That's the red. They look incredibly glossy. I expected them to be matte. Hashtag not what you think. Ooh. And this is like almost like a dark wine colour. like that. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, it smells of berries. Oh, oh, I like that last one. That's nice. I don't need any lipstick. I've already got lipstick on, but I'm putting it on my lips not to waste it. Oh yes, I'm very excited to use those. They're kind of handy because, you know, if you just need a little bit of lipstick in a pinch, they will do fine. Oh, that smells lush. Okay, so just to recap, this month I got the 2 Saint-Tropez tanning products, which I'll probably do a review on actually, because I don't do a lot of fake tanning, but when I do, I like to go all out. Some Keels eye products for my other half, the lipstick samples, which just smell beautiful, like really nice, and the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury in Fair. And that's just made, like, my chin is still glowing. Like, this stuff looks pretty awesome. Yeah, looking forward to trying that and finding out a bit more about it. So guys, if you're interested in trying some new products and seeing what is out on the market, go over to Feelunique's Pick and Mix service and have a little look. There are tons and tons of samples of interesting products on there. $3.95, 6 samples, get them sent out to you. And yeah, you can dip in and out whenever. So that's everything from me. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up this month. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye.